Ngikubingele mbule ekhaya sohlelela sikhona ke-KZN News Talk kuyintokozo ukuba nawe njalo kulelo hlelo. Kanti namhlanje sihlonipheke kakhulu ngoba sinomhlonishwa okhona phakathi kwethu ubaba Mlaba. Sikubingelele Mhlonishwa Mlaba.
Ngibingelele kakhulu Mbangazitha, ngibingelele nayo yonke nje crew yesiteshi sakho KZN TV, ngibingelele kanjalo nama-viewers akho ekhaya.
Umhlonishwa Mlaba ngokumazi ukuthi nawe lapha ekhaya ngathi uyamazi irole enkulu ayibambile elapha eParliament enkundla legislature at the same time aphinde ke wabe yimember ye-NFP. Kodwa ke kakhulukazi sifuna ukukuthola kulezi insuku ukuthi ke maningi ama-issues adiscusswayo lapha eParliament. What are the burning issues currently? Izinto busy nihlaziya nikhuluma nanjengeqembu nifaka ama-contributions?
Yeah, no, ngiyabonga ithuba. I-issue enkulu kakhulu le eyaziwa wonke umuntu that is facing this country as a whole, le yokuthi South Africa has been given it a junk status, which means we have been downgraded from where we were. So ukuthi South Africa yehliswe phansi, it will mean uma usebhizinisini is like South Africa ayikwazi ukugcina ama-funds awo, kusho ukuthi iyenza inzuzo iphinde iphume futhi kufana nento efana leyo. Kodwa-ke njenge-organization mhlawumbe sike sakuveza ukunganeliseki kwethu. Zincane izinto eyilidele South Africa ukuthi iye lapho. Mhlawumbe i-problem esiyifese kakhulu South Africa ukuthi you've got a ruling party that is ruling the country but is not strong when it comes to accountability. Ngoba siyithola la sila isikhona mhlawumbe kwesinye isikhathi ngoba singama-opposition parties you can mhlawumbe umuntu acabanga ukuthi uyaxanya for the sake of ukugxeka. Kodwa lento ikanje, uma ngabe uMpangazitha eqasha umelusi ekhaya uzomlusela izimvu zakhe bese uMpangazitha athi nje hayi uyibuyisa noma isikhatsini noma ngingalahleke enye uMpangazitha akazokunaka, vele it means uMpangazitha uyigwaza ngowakhe ngoba akakwazi ukwenza lowo muntu abe ne-responsibility, so there is no accountability. Mhlawumbe into eshaya i-ruling party uku-appointa abantu in senior positions bese bengakwazi ukubagayida ukuthi lento leyo abayiphushayo ihamba right. Mhlawumbe that is where ke siye kwi-downgrade status ezosilimaza kakhulu as a country uma ngabe i-South Africa ngeke izibe naso i-strategy soku-recover from its economy. But ke mhlawumbe umuntu is happy ukuthi ke irandi mhlawumbe lokhu bese kulindele libuka lisimama kakhulu, mhlawumbe lezo zinto. Secondly, there is an issue, a very thorny issue uma uyikhuluma umuntu omnyama ngoba mhlawumbe fanele ucophelele ukuthi uyikhuluma ukuthi kunale issue okholela induna recently le yaphasiswa eyaphasiswa president wezwe. I think njengamaqembu sikhulume kakhulu ngayo lapha esishamthethweni and Mbangazitha kuyiqiniso ukuthi mhlambe ingenye ama-issues la engicabanga ukuthi as political parties asivumelana sonke. You see into enzakalayo kuthathwe ibudget enkulu ewu-50% kwibudget yakwaCOGTA. Lento ekutshela ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngomnyango wakwaCOGTA lama-masho wabonayo ney'tela ey'khona zokuvalwa kwemigwaqo womasipala zizoqhubeka throughout le financial year. While because ngoba incishisiwe ibudget it will mean izinto bekufanele zenzeke uCOGTA beyitargethile vele zizoma. Lokho kusho ukuthi ke fanele kuholelwe induna while njenge-political party singakuphikisi lokho. But iqiniso lithi siyavumelana futhi no-MEC wakwaCOGTA ukuthi asenziwanga study thoroughly, ayiplanekanga kahle lento ukuthi iholelwe induna. Is a decision nje vele yathathwa kwathiwa izo-implementa, kodwa uma uthi uya kuma-financial implications sine-problem kakhulu ngoba uma uzobuka nje imali yama-programs kwaCOGTA alone unemali engango-137 million that has been taken away from uCOGTA ukuthi iyokhava amaholo enduna manje ukuthi fanele ibhekphe. Then you've got a ruling party talking about enye ama-issues akhulunywa kakhulu esishamthethweni le radical economic transformation. Engicabanga ukuthi emva kwale conference ade ibanjwe eThekwini is shifting away because ama-findings aleya conference ekade ibanjiwe yamazwe awasilidele ekuthenini South Africa is actually practicing lento eyikhulumayo. Kuyiqiniso lokho because uma ngabe uya kwi-budget ya-economic development ebizosiza osomabhizinisi abasafufusa engango-48 million has been taken away as well, iyokhava ama-payment ey'nduna, which means le radical economic transformation i-ruling party ekhuluma ngayo is also not going to be achievable because at the same time futhi bona bayasuppressa ngokuthi bathathe more funds bawafake kwenye entity. Well ke siyavumelana nanokuthi induna fanele zikhokhelwe. We are not running away from that kodwa iprocess ayenzekanga kahle uzobona iminingi imigwaqo evalwayo iminingi imigwaqo eshiswayo because ama programs amaningi has been minimized through ukuthi ukhaveke induna.
Mhlawumbe ukuchecka nje la sakumndaba induna ngoba ibaluleke kakhulu ngoba la ngicabanga ukuthi iningi i-research ngempela ofanele yenziwe in terms of my role and responsibilities einduna in terms of i-database ngempela ukuthi ke ikhona lo nduna ukubalekela ukuthi mhla sokuthiwa ilento siya implementwa uthola ukuthi inkosi noma yipi ithatha abantu uthola ukuthi akayona induna kodwa agcina umuntu esehola ngiyalinganisa ubugebengu obungavela ukuthi le process iyenziwe kahle yini to make sure ukuthi ke akukho la kuzogcina izinto engasahambi kahle khona.
Ngiyabonga mpakazi ukuthi uveze lo mbuzo sikurezile kwi-portfolio committee ze-NFP ukuthi i-problem enkulu esibhekene nayo le nduna ayifani nomasipala because umasipala uyazi kuyagazetha wazi ukuthi uzoba namakhansela amangaka so you know ukuthi ibudget yamakhansela imalini but la induneni ukhuluma ngegodi la ongeke uzukwazi ukuphoqa inkosi mayizokutshela thina igodi ezu60 all of a sudden iqhamusa ezu70 ngeke uzuyiphikisa because izokutshela ukuthi umhlaba wami lo isizwe sami lesi mina engaziyo then bese qhamuka induneni i-department into ehlolo ukuyenza up to date le ebesikhuluma njenge-NFP ukuthi engage induna strongly ngalento then uqale ube nenumber yeinduna across KZN then you come up with into ethi nayi budget yeinduna then ngiqhubeke process manje sikhuluma into ethi induna fanele iholelwe sizazi ukuthi ingaki database has not been done zikuphi
i-demarcation yakho ihamba kanjani lo nduna kulesi sigodi ngabi neinduna ezu2 endane yodwa ngiyalengana siyabona yonke lo nto.
Yes asiyazi and mind you ukuthi kuneinduna into ekhona le ukuthi izwala uma uyikhuluma mind you ukuthi kuneinduna ehlala eGoli othola ukuthi ngenze isibonelo akekho ngala esigodini mhlawumbe wasemsinga mhlawumbe wase ukwesakamthetho mhlawumbe wasedlangezo but uhlala kuphi uhlala eGoli what will happen ukuthi uzoqhubeka holele lo muntu isibuyela back lento ade ngisho ukuthi into elimaza uhulumeni kakhulu i-accountability abantu sibanika izinto bese bayazenzela nje as much as they can then at the end of the day bese sishawa ama result alokho ukuthi abazukhamba kahle but ke iqiniso elibabayo kufanele siphile nalo ukuthi zizoholelwa induna siphikisana nakho but iprocess ayenzekanga kahle futhi kuzoba kukhulu kuyikhoqo kuze ngasuka umsindo yes ngoba i-South Africa as a country asinayo legal document esigunyaza ukuthi fanele ziholelwe kanjani fanele ihambe kanjani lento enduna so it's like a game of guessing ukuthi usunginikile uthi induna ezu20 I will pay them unginikile wathi ezu60 I will pay them ukuthi ihlalaphi ze-account akuphi we-don't care as long as zizokhokhelwa that is what we are saying.
Ake abakhona seswethu lama forums noma imhlangano noma ama-committee noma ama-commission ake really ngempela ke abakhona ukubhekelela lolu daba
in as much as
it's sort of like a roadshow of some sort to address these issues before qala ukusebenza.
Yeah, yikho mbangazitha umuntu adekhala ukuthi process ayenzekanga kahle in as much as mhlambe i-ruling party ingayishaya isifuba ithi kwenzile but iqiniso lethi akaze kwenzeke thoroughly le process siyijombile kunezigaba eziningi ezeqiwe kuze kufike la kwi-payment. I understand ukuthi i-province implementa i-proclamation yasano president which ngeke iziphikiseke because was signed by president kodwa mhlambe i-homework yesifundazwe bekuwukuthi iyenze lama forums owasho mpangazithi ukuthi across the province kube khona lama forums zaziwe induna zihlonzwe yonke into ngoba enye into embi nje engenzeka ukuthi worst case scenario ngenzeka ukuthi inkosi mangabe idecide ukuthi usibanibani ngiyamkhipha ngifaka usibanibani umnyango wakho kuthiwa ungena lapha ayikho into ozoyenza ngokuthi inkosi ikhiphe lo yafaka lo whether ube wrong noma ube right akekho umuntu ozolandela leyo. That is how unfortunate the situation is kodwa ke fanele si understand siyamukele ngoba njalo because at the end of the day ukhuluma abantu bakithi abamnyama once waqala wayipheruza kakhulu futhi abantu bazoconclude ukuthi akafuni induna yeholelo kanti ngicela kosuku as much as ama-systems that has been violated.
Okay. No sengaseyitolo sinomhlolishi Mlaba khona phakathi kwethu so NFP kodwa siyabuya ungayindawo KZN News Talk now.